Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Just wait for 1 minute so that the others could join, and after it, we are going to start. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. We are going to start in few seconds. So, chalo. So, beta, from where we have to start? I think from the frameworks, ethical frameworks, we have to start now. If I am
Yes,
not wrong. Okay, so beta, basically we had discussed in class ninth also what are the ethical issues around AI while developing an AI model, ethical consideration we should keep in our mind. So in class 10th, we are going to discuss the frameworks, ethical frameworks for AI. What we keep in our mind when we want to develop an AI model. So Astat, please start reading from the frameworks topic.
Okay,
And then
sir.
after that, I'll explain.
Frameworks. Frameworks are a set of steps that help us in solving problems. It provides a step-by-step guide for solving problems in an
Hmm.
organized manner. Moreover, frameworks offer a structured approach to
Hmm.
problem solving, ensuring that all relevant factors and considerations
Wait,
are taken into.
wait. So wait. There is a line, moreover, frameworks offer a structured approach to problem solving. Do you have any idea what can be the structured approach to solve a particular problem?
sir.
Do you
First,
guys have any
identify
idea
that
what can be
where,
the structured approach to solve? Huh?
Sir,
sir, first
AI project.
identify that where
Sorry?
the problem exists, and then identify the factors which affect that problem.
Means to say, if we just talk about the structured approach to solve a particular problem, that refers to the AI project cycle because it is a step-by-step solution to develop an AI model according to your particular problem. Clear? ओके बच्चा ठीक है नाउ frameworks offer a structured approach to ensuring that all relevant factors and considerations are taken into account. Ensuring that all relevant factors and consideration into account जो हम लोग एआई प्रोजेक्ट साइकिल में सारे अपने दिमाग में सारे स्ट्रक्चर्ड अप्रोचेस को रखे हुए मॉडल के लिए डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं प्रॉब्लम स्कोपिंग से डिप्लॉयमेंट तक का फेज हमारा इसी में कंसिडर किया जाता है. Additionally, they serve as a common language for communication and collaboration, facilitating the sharing of best practices and promoting consistency in problem solving methodologies. चलो बताओ बेटा इसको कौन बताएगा चित्रांश what does it mean?
Sir, I don't know.
Anyone else? This serves as a common language for communication and collaboration. भाई एक बात बताओ, if we want to develop an AI model for a particular reason or for a particular state, तो we have to develop that model according to their regional language, जो उसकी या एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज जो सभी के लिए कॉमन हो। भाई अगर मैं यूपी के अंदर बरेली में सिर्फ और सिर्फ तमिल लैंग्वेज के लिए कोई मॉडल तैयार कर दूंगा तो इट वोंट बी पॉसिबल फॉर द पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड द what is model trying to say. So we have to make our model according to the common language for that particular region or for that particular area. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो now start. Who is there in the classroom? Let me take the attendance first. Astitva, turn your camera on for a while and after that you may turn your camera off. After the attendance you can turn off. ठीक है अस्तित्व। चित्रांश बेटा, अस्तित्व now you may off your camera. ठीक है चित्रांश। आरना बेटा प्लीज टर्न योर कैमरा ऑन फॉर अ वाइल। ठीक है आरना। प्रत्युष, प्रत्युष बेटा, प्रत्युष को मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही लगता।
ऑन है सर।
मॉर्निंग। ठीक है, नाउ यू मे टर्न योर कैमरा ऑफ। आर्यन निगम, आर्यन निगम यू आर नॉट विजिबल। ठीक है आर्यन। समृद्ध, समृद्ध बेटा।
यस सर।
ठीक है बच्चे, ठीक है अब ऑफ कर लो। आद्या भाटिया, ठीक है बेटा ऑफ कर लो। शौर्य, ठीक है बच्चे ऑफ कर सकते हो। देव, ठीक है बेटा। प्रतिष्ठा, जल्दी से अटेंडेंस दे दो फिर स्टार्ट करेंगे का टॉपिक। प्रतिष्ठा, ये क्लास से ही भाग गई मुझे लग रहा है। उज्जवल, ठीक है उज्जवल। अंशुमन गंगवार, आद्रिका, अंशुमन यू आर नॉट विजिबल।
Yes, sir.
Turn your camera on for a while and after that you can turn camera off. I have to take the attendance beta. Adrika, you are not visible.
So shall I rejoin?
You can rejoin. Shrija,
Yes, sir.
Shrija, Namya, Shrija, now you may turn off. Namya, बेटा मैं आपसे ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि पूरे ड्यूरिंग द क्लास आपको कैमरा ऑन ही रखना है। जस्ट फॉर अ वाइल आई जस्ट वांट टू टेक द अटेंडेंस। नाम्या यू आर नॉट विजिबल। हाँ ठीक है नाम्या, नाउ यू मे टर्न ऑफ। अभी दो बच्चों की अटेंडेंस मार्क नहीं हुई है, एक प्रतिष्ठा दूसरी